Hey guys, my name is Haniya and this is my plant channel. A couple weeks ago I did a video about how to propagate cane begonias. So today we actually have the result of about a month's worth of work. These canes are now fully rooted, if you can see that. They have inch-long roots that are ready to be potted up. Most begonias actually prefer a free draining soil with loose particles inside of it. So what I've done is created a pretty loose soil. There is normal potting mixture. There is maybe a little bit of sphagnum moss, some orchid bark inside of there, pumice, perlite, and even some lava rocks that were left over from a different project. This is the pumice, perlite is what I just showed, and some orchid bark. And we just want enough to mimic these guys being in a very rocky region. Still some moisture, but enough to dry out in between. I have some recycled nursery pots that I'm going to use for these very rooty guys. And I'm just going to start filling them with this mixture. There's also some coconut coir in here I forgot to mention. So it's a big mix of things in here. And it's filled up. There's maybe about an inch of space at the top. And I am going to simply try to stick this guy in as much as possible. So here is my buddy. I'm actually going to cut off the bottom part because it looks like it's rotted a bit. Can you guys see that? Tons of hairy little inch-long roots. I'm just going to stick him right in. And it's probably going to shock him for a few days, but he will be better off in this than he will be in straight water forever. Neat. So there's my first buddy. And now I'm going to work on the second guy. There are actually two cuttings in here, but I might just put them both in the same pot. Lots of inch-long roots, if you guys can see that. So much fun. This guy's actually pretty funky. He's just going in like a little L shape on the side. He'd make a really cool bonsai figure. So I'm going to plant these guys as well. Same thing, sterilized pot. Oop. Sterilized pot. Just putting some of this potting soil that I've made for them in here. Just very loose, not packing it in there. And I'm just creating a small place to stick in the cane. These guys don't have as much rotting at the bottom as the other guy did, so I'm just going to leave him like that. And I might just plant this guy in here too, until it gets a little too more crowded in this pot then. So there you have it. 3 cane props that just went into soil. Not scary at all. And hopefully these guys will continue to shoot straight up after this. I've got some other begonia videos from seeding to cutting off the canes if you want to check those out up there. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe because it's super helpful for me. And I'm hoping to catch you guys around later. Thanks.